So in case you don't already know, Samsung is also going to launch the successor of Galaxy Fold on 5th of August, alongside other products that it is launching. Instead of naming it the Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung is launching it as Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So it looks like from now on all the affordable phones from Samsung will come under the Galaxy series, where there are only a few days left for the August 5th event. We now have the official renders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 giving us our best look at the phone. So far, did I throw the phone into colors named Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze? No, if you don't know, the same color options are there for the Galaxy Note 20 device as well as for the Galaxy Buds Live. This means Samsung wants to have the same color scheme for each product that it is launching on August 5th. And that's not it. Biggest camera setup of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 phone has the same design as that of the Galaxy Note 20. So this means the design language is also the same across all the phone launching that day. Apart from the camera setup, the biggest design change when we compare the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a display. Should I say that displays? While the Galaxy Fold had an outdoor display with huge bezels on the top and bottom, the Z Fold 2 has a punch hole display on the outside, and the screen mouse patches to the edges, which results in minimal top and bottom bezels on the inside as well. So now there is no longer the weird side notes which we saw on the inner screen of Galaxy Fold. So that is all about the design, not talking about the specifications that we already know. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a 7.7-inch Super AMOLED display on the inside and a 6.23-inch Super AMOLED display on the outside, and the inside also has 120Hz refresh rate. There's a side-facing fingerprint scanner, and on the inside there is a 10-megapixel camera for selfies. The triple camera setup on the back is the same as on the Galaxy Note 20, so there is a primary 12-camera, secondary 64-megapixel telephoto camera, and a third 12-megapixel ultra-light camera. The name for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G support 5G as well, but it is still a mystery whether Samsung has gone for the Snapdragon chipset of the Exynos 990. If the Fold has Snapdragon 865, it makes sense if the default who has Snapdragon 865 or 855. Plus, whatever the case is, there is a half terabyte of internal storage, and the phone has a 4356 mAh battery with 15-watt wireless charging. Finally, when it comes to the pricing, there are rumors that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is going to be priced at $1,980. If this is true, then this means the price is going to remain the same as that of Galaxy phones when it launched last year. So what do you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G? You like to know why? The comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I am Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I will catch you in the next one.